Peace means justice, where fairness and compassion replace hatred and violence.
Peace begins with us, in our words, in our actions, and in how we treat one another. Let us remember that peace is not what we hope for, but what we remember every day.
We can create a peace in our school, homes, and in our community by choosing kindness over conflict.
The United Nations established this day in 1981 to remind us that peace is possible if we work together.
Every year, on September 21st, the world observes this day, calling for an end to conflict and a chance to build bridges.
Peace is more than just the absence of war. It's living together with respect, kindness, and harmony.
One small act of peace can inspire many others. A smile, a helping hand, and words of encouragement matters.
Peace means equality, where every person, no matter who they are, what they are, has right to live freely and safely.
On this International Day of Peace, let's promise to be peacemakers in our world.
Peace means hope, where children can dream of a better tomorrow without fear.
Today, we gather to celebrate the International Day of Peace. Peace begins with us. Peace begins today.